Good morning, you two.
Good morning.
What is the weirdest repair that you've ever seen come into the shop for us to do?
There are a lot.
There's a lot. The first one that comes to mind is somebody brought in an antique doll that they had. That, you know how dolls have like this solid head and then the fabric body? And the fabric body was coming apart. So we removed it from the head and the arms and made a new body for the doll. And it had some kind of like voice box component that they liked as well. So we had to make sure that there was like an area for the cords to come in and out, that their voice box was intact, and they were happy.
I think the weirdest one that like really caught me off guard was one time we fixed horse blankets. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't know that they needed repairs. So that one was just like, when I heard it, I was like, what? What is a horse blanket? The binding was coming off of the edges and we needed to re-sew it on. And then some of the Velcro that they used to like keep it on from under their tummy was coming loose. So we needed to sew that back on.
Another one we did was actually kind of recent. A local business owner who owns a trampoline park brought in like giant trampoline covers that he had, and he said they weren't very old, they were very expensive, but like one of the seams down the middle had just busted open already, and he didn't really want to like buy whole new ones because they were totally fine. It was like the stitching had come out. So it was a really simple thing, like just a straight line, but like the biggest piece of canvas I've ever seen in my life.